Hi, my name is Jeremy Shutt. I'm part of the Little Endians group that is putting together the LMMS, Library Media Management System. And this is a rundown of what we've done so far and where we are in the project. So on the right here, you'll see our Redmine account. Here's where we're keeping track of everything in our progress. The issues, these are all the different issues related to the project. Features, which are actually part of the project. So for example, here we have to implement the database schema, or the media rating is one feature of our project, and these are assigned to different members of the group. So that all comes together into a built-in Gantt chart, which will show us all the different features that we need to implement, different issues we need to take care of, and the timeline in which we need to do them. Gray means it has not been started yet. Red means it has been started, and that's the percentage it's been completed. And green means it has been started, completed, feedback has been received, and then it's been closed. So that's what you see here with the green. And when you see one project or one issue from another, that means that there's another issue that has to be completed before the second issue can be installed. And this gives us a timeline of when we're going to be completing the project. And then here at the end we have an SVN repository where we can store all our gits and our different bits of code, and then we can talk about them and download them for ourselves individually. At first we wanted to try to use the Google App Engine for this project. Unfortunately, the database was not what we wanted it to be, so instead we decided on the AWS Amazon Web Services. So within AWS, we're using a couple different things. First off, we have the Elastic Beanstalk, which is the actual application container. So when I click on this, it'll take me to the console, which will show me all the different environments for this application. See here, LMMS, that's the main environment, and that's where our final project is going to be uploaded to. When you click View Running Version, it'll take you to the URL of our project, lmms.elasticbeanstalk.com, and it'll actually run the application. As of now, we haven't implemented any HTML or web pages or any of those, so it's showing the example page that comes built in. When you go back to the main management console, you'll also be able to click on the RDS, which is the Relational Database Service console. So you can click here to see our database instances. Currently we just have this one database instance, which will be handling everything for this project. And there's different languages and engines before we chose to use MySQL. So I'll pull this down here, and this is Heidi SQL, and that's what I'm using to manage the database. So you'll see here we have this database with all the different tables, different dependencies, foreign keys, and everything, and that's all set up. So we've completed the implementation of the database. We have not seeded it yet with the actual data, but that is the next step. The final thing I want to show you is how we're managing this whole system. So here you see Eclipse, which is the programming environment for Java. We installed AWS extensions, which allow us to create new Java web projects, new environments for Elastic Beanstalk under AWS. What I have open here is a project, AWS Java web project that I've created, which is just the basic example. And this is the index.jsp page. This is the code for everything we just saw on that welcome page right here. So that's the code for that. So what we do is we code the entire project in Eclipse, click on the Run button and Run on Server. What that does is that uploads this code in different WAR files and puts it where I was before here in the Elastic Beanstalk. Once you've changed something, you can then click on the View Running version once again, and then click on the new version with everything you've changed. So that's where we are, and thank you.